Sit down. Mag-i-study tayo. Sit down. Hi! Say hi muna. Hi! Amara, what is this? What is that? Star. How about this one? What is that? Ball. Good job. How about this one? What's that? Eyes. Good job. This one. No. Okay. How about this one? What letter is that? A. Good job. How about this one? What is this? What is that? Apple. Good job. Next. How about this one? What's that? Banana. Good job. What else? How about this one? About this one? What's that? Fish. Good job. What else? A. Alligator. B. C. D. Account mo na. Count. 1, 3, 5. Count na muna. 6. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayaw mag-count. Wala sa mag-count. 5. What's next? Ay, na-shy. Na-shy si Aya. Another one. What is this? Ano ba drawing ni Mommy? What is this? What is this, baby? Look. Amara, look. Wait. What is this? Baby, look. Oh, what is this? Car. Good job. Yay. Oh, count na. How about this one? What is this? Hand. Good job. This one. Eyes. This one. This one. Ears. Good job. How about this one? This one. What is this? Hair. Good job. Oh, what is this? How about this one? What is this? Shoes. Baby, how about this one? What is this? This one. And ito yung banana. This one. Cat. Good job. How about this one? Dog. Oh, this one. Look. Look, Amara. Amara, look. What is this? Oh, busy na dyan. What's that?